You can set up profiles within LAMP Words for Life to easily switch between two vocabulary files and their settings at the touch of a button. A profile provides a snapshot of the current settings and vocabulary on the system, allowing them to be saved and easily accessed at a later time. Multiple profiles can be saved on a single device. There are several reasons why you might wish to create a profile. A few examples might be to adjust access settings throughout the day due to a client's fatigue, like going from touch access to head tracking. You could be transitioning between two different vocabulary file layouts, like LAMP Words for Life One Hit and LAMP Words for Life Full. Or a speech-language pathologist could be saving settings for multiple clients or students' files. Let's set up a profile to toggle between two different layouts. Maybe you have a client going from one-hit version of LAMP Words for Life to the full version. This will allow them to use their old vocabulary file while learning to use the new layout. Before creating a profile, make sure there's a copy of each vocabulary file in your My Files section. We will start by saving the one-hit vocabulary file to a profile. We first need to adjust all the desired settings, such as timing, voice, style, and any access-related settings. Next, we will save these settings to a profile. You will see profiles at the top of the settings menu. Select Save Profile and enter a profile name for this vocabulary file. Note that anytime you adjust the settings associated with this profile, you will need to resave the settings by following these same steps. Select Save and then select Done at the top of the settings menu to return to the vocabulary home screen. Next, we go to LAMP Words for Life Full Version file and follow the same steps to set up the second profile. Choose the appropriate settings. Give the file a name, select Save, and then Done. We now have two profiles saved in LAMP Words for Life. One option for loading a profile is to use the menu. This is a good option for communication partners to toggle between files, or if you want to be able to toggle from anywhere within the vocabulary file. Go to Menu, then Settings. Select Load Profile. Choose the profile you want to use. That vocabulary will open and be ready to start communicating with the assigned settings in place.
I have fun.
Another option to load a profile is to program a button within the vocabulary file to use to toggle between files. There's a button on the keyboard page that can be used to do this. Go to Menu, then Edit Page. Select the Go To button, then edit this button. We can use the button label and image already on the button. You can change the background color of the button to make it stand out for the AAC user. Scroll down to the button actions and select Speech Message to change the action. Find Select Profile in the button action list and select it. Choose the profile you want to go to. Select Save and then Done. When the button is selected, it will toggle to the vocabulary file associated with the profile. Follow the same steps in this vocabulary file to be able to toggle back to the original vocabulary file. To learn more about the LAMP Words for Life app, visit our website at lampwflapp.com. You can find LAMP trainings being offered near you at aacandautism.com. Find live instructor-led courses as well as self-paced e-learning courses to learn more about LAMP Words for Life app, the LAMP approach, and how to implement AAC throughout your day at aaclearningjourney.com.